JessEm's clear-cut stock guides are designed to fit on router tables, and they'll fit on majority of router tables in the world. They sit in the track. What we do, we can put these on, move them along, get them to a position where we're happy with them over our timber, lock down the outside screw, same with this one, move them in and out, lock down the outside screw. If we apply a little bit of pressure with our thumb down and lock off the inner screw, and the same here again, we now have pressure that's holding our timber down, and we can push our timber through with great control. The clear-cut stock guides both have a pair of rollers on them, and the rollers are actually inclined in by 5 degrees. When you push your timber through, it automatically pulls it into the router fence. As we push through, it's giving a nice constant feed, but they're also a one-way bearing, so they won't allow the timber to come back if kickback were to happen. So the inclined rollers, as you push the timber through, it just pulls it in and holds it in against the fence. We can use the clear-cut stock guides with a guard if we're trying to cover the cutter, or we could remove the guard and bring the clear-cut guides in to cover up the cutter as well. What we have now is pressure being put down onto the board and also the incline. So one advantage is they can be used with a waney or live edge board. We don't need to put any feather board on the front, apply pressure. Everything is done by the clear-cut stock guides. Although the clear-cut stock guides are designed for the router table and flat timber, I've also used them on the router table and also with caution on the table saw for cutting laminated timber. I had a female former made up which my laminated timber sat into. I could set up the pressure onto my curve, and as I was feeding my curve through, it was also pulling it back to the fence. Very little that we have available that can offer that kind of support when you're doing such individual or specialist work. For more information on the JessEm clear-cut stock guides for a router table, also we have available the larger versions which are for the table saw. Similar principle, work on the 5% incline. Also what we can do with these is adjust them in and out, and again we can adjust these for height onto our timber. Check out all of our JessEm products on woodworkersworkshop.co.uk, and also look at us on our social media channels.